Education is the foundation of a child and an investment for their success. Good afternoon to our dear panelists. We are the Group 1 and we will present our research titled Factors that hinder indigenous people to attain education, significant characteristics and identity. I am J.M. Bunao along with my group mates.
I'm Rachel Factor.
I'm Adrian Remigio.
I'm AGC Sambroque.
I'm Beth Paluna.
I'm Jane Miguel.
And I'm Brian Tello. This study focuses in the factors why indigenous people barely attain a proper education in this day. Knowing these factors help in contribute in solving the problem in terms of numbers of enrollees of IPs and Santa Elena Camarines Norte. These are the feedback of our former panelists. Citation should include title of the works and when it was published.